Akandwanaho, pleasure to have nga tukwinano ku SK13 Sports YouTube channel. Okusokerera performance yo elunaku lwaleero ojogerako ki?
Nze ndi musanyufu nnyo ku lwa performance ezzeemu second half ate ne nteeba goal eyokubiri tujja pressure because twali tulidinga goal emu 0. So I'm very happy for that.
8th goal of the season. What is the magic behind your form this season?
Yeah, training, coaches, mba preparing bulungi nafuna pre-season ennungi ne training yange.
Relationship yo n'omusambi Samuel Ssekamate kuba mulabika nga okuteeba goal mukifudde ekintu ekiri easy. Okyogerako ki?
Relationship twetegeere okale we have spent some time together, so we are practicing it every time in the training, and even if it's a friend we keep doing it.
Going forward, what are your targets?
My targets 10 goals plus and 10 assists plus this season. Yeah.
Of course, mugenda kusanya club ya Police next game. What should we expect?
We are ready for it. Yeah, we are very ready.
Aspirations for the national team?
Yeah, of course. I'm having it and I wait for a chance when it comes.
Then, what are some of the challenges you faced since you came into Brightstars
from my former team?
Yes.
Yeah, many challenges, but many are off the pitch. And sina kyakukola yahali nalina okubuuma ennyo because most of my friends, everything I miss they are in Mbarara because Mbarara nali mbazeemu obudde obuwanvu gye nkulidde, so na missing ebintu bingi naye sina kyakukola. That's life of football.
Finally, ki ekikuyambye okubeera nga osetulinga mangu mu Brightstars n'okutuuka okulaba nga it is like a family now?
Yeah, coach okunesinga nampa omupiira buli kaseera ate nange nengezaako okuperforming kizza confidence yange on and off the pitch.
Thank you very much.
Okay, welcome.